trying to lose weight. Like, who is not trying to lose weight? Because girl, I'm like getting thicker and thicker and thicker. Okay? So I was contacted by this company. They offered me a 30-day detox challenge. So after some serious thought, I'm thinking, can I really detox for 30 days? Am I really, really ready to try to lose weight? So I decided that yes, I'm going to try this 30-day detox challenge. So you guys, I was contacted by Teami, a Teami representative. She asked me if I was interested in doing a 30-day detox challenge. So I told her that I would do the challenge. She asked me to document the challenge. So did I document? Sort of, kind of, I documented. I did post it on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you need to go follow me on Instagram right now. I am TJ on Instagram, and I am TJ here on YouTube, so please do look me up. It's I_am_TJ, TEEJAAY on Instagram. So anyway, Teami representative contacted me, asked me if I was interested in trying this 30-day detox challenge. I told her that I was and that I would try this challenge, so I did. I was able to go on the Teami website and pick out my tea canister. What kind of girl would I be if I didn't pick pink? That's just the kind of girl that I am. So I did. I picked the pink mug, if that's what you want to call it, and it's very durable, not cheap at all. So they had a couple of different colors. I think I remember gray and maybe purple, I think, but and green, I believe, but I picked pink, and it's very cool, and it was helpful for the Teami challenge. So my Teami tea came in the mail. It came in a box that looks like this. You guys, it's kind of washed out. Let me see. I'm trying to see if you guys can see. Probably can't see too much. But anyway, it says 30-day detox. It's not just a tea. It's a lifestyle. And this is the front of it. And then on the back, it shows you the 2 different detoxes that they have. So okay. There's 2 teas in here. It's a 30-day detox, but there's 2 different teas that they send you. The first one is the skinny tea. This is the daily tea that you drink, and then every other day you drink the colon tea. So let me open it up and show you guys what it looks like. I do have some left because I can tell you right now that I did not complete the whole entire 30-day challenge, but okay. So here is the skinny tea. It comes in this package, and you get fresh tea leaves. They are fresh tea leaves, if you can see. And the directions are on the back of the package. It says you place 1 teaspoon in a cup of near boiling water between 3 to 5 minutes. You're supposed to let it sit, and use the strainer or a tea infuser if you want your tea to be clear, meaning if you don't want the tea leaves to be like floating in your tea. So this was the skinny tea, natural tea leaves. They're not packaged in a tea bag. And then the second package is the colon tea, and it comes in a similar package as the tea leaves. And the directions are on the back of that. And what it says is use 1 tea bag every other night. Allow the tea bag to steep between 1 to 3 minutes before drinking. And it does say that if you want to add honey, you can, nectar, or lemon if you would like to make the tea taste better. So I am not a real big tea drinker, but when I do I'm not big on lemon, so I did add some honey with this, and you get 15 tea bags in here. So first, let me tell you guys, this tea definitely changes your colon situation. This tea had me so gassy, I guess, like crampy, and listen, I was not prepared for what this tea did to me. I can tell you that it has a very natural taste to it. It wasn't like it was not good to drink, wasn't good to the taste or anything like that, but yeah, so we'll get into all that in a minute. So let's talk about the tea container that came. So at the top you have a strainer. I was always having a hard time getting this out. So here's your strainer that comes in your drinking bottle, and this helps you to strain the tea. So that fits right in here. Okay, and then it's like a double plastic container, so what it does is it protects your hands from the heat of the tea, so the container isn't too hot to hold on to. And what I thought was really cool and really neat is that this bottom piece comes off, so you can put your extra tea leaves in here if you wanted to drink this tea more than once a day. So I thought that was pretty cool. You can see I did drink a lot. My cup is a little stained. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little stained from the tea, but it has this little holder to it, so that was convenient to just kind of like, you know, carry on your wrist or, you know, whatever you needed to do. But I love this. I love this, and I mean, I'm going to continue to use this even past my 30-day detox. So, okay, first let's talk about this tea. Every day you're supposed to drink a tea. Let me show you what else is in here. So it also comes with a detox calendar. I did start checking it off in the back, but I completely fell off. I only got to 2 days, but I did 3 weeks, and it was pretty easy to follow. So you're supposed to drink the skinny tea every day, and you're supposed to drink the colon tea every other day, but at night. So let me just say, I don't think I showed you guys what the tea bags look like, so let me show you. So these are the Teami tea bags. So you have fresh tea leaves inside, and this is not like your normal tea bag. This is like a mesh tea bag. So this one is the colon cleanser. So this is the one you drink every other day in your tea, and then this is the one that you drink every day. So let me back up a little bit and tell you a little bit about my experience with the tea. First, let me just say that drinking the tea every other evening didn't work for me because I was up. I couldn't sleep because my stomach, girl, was doing the cha-cha, okay? I mean, it was doing the cha-cha. It was twerking, it was doing whatever that it needed to do, and like my stomach was just not settling for the night, and having to get up the next morning, it just was not a good situation. I could not be up all night with my stomach cramping the way that it was and running back and forth to the bathroom. So I decided to do it every other day, but I did it earlier in the day. So I would drink it kind of towards the end of my day, so that by the evening, bedtime time, my stomach would start to kind of calm down, and whatever needed to take its course would kind of take its course without waking me up in the middle of the night. And that worked for me. The skinny tea was great. It was supposed to give you energy. It was nice. It was soothing. It had a nice taste to it and all, so I didn't have too much of an issue with that. Now, as far as it actually detoxing, yes, it works. It didn't work too much for me. I did more cramping and I had more discomfort than I actually had like a cleansing, if that makes any sense. So it worked. I just couldn't do the whole 30 days because I just could not deal with all of the cramping and the discomfort and, you know, the pain and it was just too much for me. But I can tell you that I did stick it out for about 2.5, 3 weeks, and I did lose 5 pounds. So that was a good thing. So for someone who can really stick this challenge out, I think it would be amazing for you. I think that it actually works. The colon tea works. My husband drank some and it ran right through him, but it didn't do the same for me. It took some time. It definitely detoxed me some, but it had me more in a discomfort stage than it did actually detoxing. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I do recommend the Teami tea. I think 5 pounds in 2-3 weeks is pretty decent when I didn't do much of anything else. I really did not stop my the way I was eating. I wasn't doing any exercising. I wasn't doing any of those things. So it was somewhat helpful to lose 5 pounds, and I was still kind of eating normally and doing my normal level of exercise. I didn't increase anything. I didn't do anything different. So it was pretty good. So if you're interested in trying a 30-day detox, make sure you check out my discount code. It's going to be down in the description box. I'm telling you, it's a great thing if you can stick it out and thug it out for 30 days. It just was too much for me and my little tummy, but you can definitely benefit from it. I think 5 pounds was pretty good. I was happy with that, and it jump-started me to my my goal of my weight loss challenge. So it did help, and it did jumpstart my weight loss, and I'm excited about it, and I'm satisfied with what I have so far. And if I choose to do the detox again, I have plenty of colon tea and skinny tea left if that's what I decide to do. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. I would love to have you join the IMTJ family. If you are a returning IMTJ family member, thank you so much for sticking in there with me. I love you, love you, love you, and I appreciate you sticking around. And please don't forget to thumbs up this video for me. It does me so much when you guys give me a thumbs up. Please share this video. Please leave me a comment. Let's chit chat about your weight loss. What have you tried? What's worked for you? Do you have anything that you could tell me that I can try to kind of do this weight loss thing? If you're interested in doing it with me, girlfriend, let's do it together. But again, thank you all for watching. I am TJ, and I will catch you beautiful people on my next video.